this shit, yo. Mr. Uptown, man. Y'all go ahead and follow this man YouTube, man. For real, man. This nigga determined about this fishing shit, yo.
Got me fucked up.
You understand me? Come on, man. And y'all see what's going on. This man true to this shit, man. Don't tell me he got something on that motherfucking line. This nigga got something on the line right now. This is going down there. Greatest of all times, man. Like I said, man, go ahead YouTube and subscribe to this man, yo. Give something. Stingray though. Bang.